tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to talk about logical operators in Oracle. So these are the logical operator in Oracle we are going to discuss. First of all, AND, that is called logical AND. And second is the OR, that is also called logical OR operator. Let's try to understand through an example. So here is my SQL developer, and using SQL developer will write a few queries and we'll try to understand this two logical operator. Yeah. So to make this demo, I'm going to make use of this EMP table. There you can see there are 14 records, right? So here let's write a query to fetch all the employee details having designation as manager or job as manager, and they have joined on after 1st January 1980. So how we can write those queries? So here I am going to write a select, right? Let me write in capital select, and here you can specify the column names. So what are the column names you want to select, or directly you can put the asterisk so that it will select all the columns, right? So just I'm going to select all the columns, select star from, and after that we have to add the where clause, and job equals to, you have to specify the manager because we are looking for all those employee details. First condition is the job should be manager, yeah, job should be manager. And second condition, definitely we have to put and. So here we are going to use logical operator and, right? Now and what we want, either joining date is on 1st January 1982 or after 1st January 1980. So here we'll have to write higher date greater than equal to, right? Here we'll have to write in single quote because this is a date, 1st Jan 80, right? In 2 characters. Here we have specified. If I run this query, then there is saying there's some problem in valid table name from, yeah, table name we have missed, employee. Now if I run this query, then you'll get the all the employees detail whose joining date, whose designation is manager, right? And joining date either on 1st January 1980 or after, on or after 1st January 1980, right? So we got, right? Let's say now I would like to get the all employee details, either a job is manager or, right? So here we can write the or as well, or hire date after 1st January 81, right? So here you will get the details. So here what's the meaning? When we write the AND operator, then there are 2 operands, right? First operand is this one and second operand is this one. If both the conditions are true, then entire condition is going to be true. But in the OR, when you put the OR condition, either this statement is true or this record will be selected, right? That's the meaning of and or. Apart from and or, we have one more logical operator, is called not, that you can combine with the in clause or exist clause or that many more. So those things we will see in the future video tutorial. So that's all I have in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.